Okay, today's show we're gonna talk about is why men should stay away from ratchet women and 304's part two. Now, the reason why I'm talking about this because you got these females in society are just being ratchet and being disgusting. That's why I try to tell you men to stay away from them because these type of females are very hella disgusting. This is exactly why I try to tell all you men to stay away from these type of women. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any since I try to tell you men to stay away from these type of females, these females will get you murdered. That's why I don't want to deal with ratchet females and these 304s. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense, man. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. You got these females out there want to do disgusting things and all this stuff. Like, come on now. I'm glad this 304 coaching, this ratchet culture is coming to an end now. But see, that's the problem, man. Y'all will never call this stuff out. How these females are being so goddamn disgusting. Like, come on, man. Y'all think that stuff is funny, which that is not funny. It's all this ratchet culture put up on within society, and then you wonder why this ratchet culture has destroyed the black family and the black community. Like, that don't make any sense. Come on, man. Like, wow. Like, that don't make any sense, man. Like, that don't make any sense. You got these individuals keep coming on my channel just looking for a reason to start stuff with me. Like, that don't make any sense. Like, that don't make any sense. I'm gonna drop the link and somebody will hop on the panel. Hold on. Okay, copy link. I'm gonna drop the link. Studio. Alright. Like, that don't make any sense, man. It's like these females have no problem being disgusting and being whores. What's so bad about it, you got these more three sets of females, which I went over. That was so goddamn disgusting. Oh my god, I had to leave over there, man. I had to leave over there, man. Too many females are being disgusting and all that stuff. Like, that don't make any sense. Like, that don't make any sense. Like, that don't make any sense, man. Like, that don't make any sense. Like, that don't make any sense. Like, that don't make any sense. Like, that don't make any sense, man. That don't make any sense how these females are. If they think that stuff is funny, go right ahead. Like that don't make any sense, man. Like that don't make any sense. But these ratchet 304 culture has destroyed the black community. You see all these females twerking, act like nasty 304s, carrying STDs. Like that don't make any sense, man. Like that don't make any sense. What's so bad about it? You got other females not gonna call this stuff out because as soon as you call this stuff out, it's a problem. You probably one of these women act a lot like this, and then y'all never gonna call this stuff out. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense, man. It's like these females are very hella disgusting. Like, that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. Like come on now. Like this don't make any sense. This is so disgusting and gross. Like come on now. That don't make any sense, man. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. Like you got these females want to do harm. Man, you got these simp ass men getting out mad at me for calling this stuff out. Like come on, man. Oh, like that don't make any sense. Like come on, man. Got these females out there just acting like disgusting whores and all this stuff. Like come on, man. Like these females think it's okay to act like tramps and whores and all this stuff, and then you wonder why the black community where it's at now. Like sadly, you got these females embracing that thought culture. Like come on, man. Such as Megan Thee Stallion, Sexy Red Shuki Hunter, and who else? I'm like, man, I'll be so glad when this female thought horror music, female rappers goes away because that's exactly why I listen to Rhapsody. That's why I listen to Rhapsody. She got bars. Like that's exactly why I've been listening to her music because she got dope music. Like that's cool, but These female rappers of today, they just so goddamn nasty and disgusting. I'm like, man, I'm not attracted to these female. I'm not attracted to that. You fucking crazy. Like that don't make any sense, man. Like these disgusting females think it's okay to act like whores and all this stuff. Oh yeah, I'm using Restream from now on my phone. Like that don't make any sense, man. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. I don't like 304s. I don't like ratchet women. I'm sorry, I don't like 304s. I don't like ratchet women. I'm sorry, I just don't like them. I'll stay away from them fast as I can. I hate ratchet females. I hate 304s. Who else? I hate promiscuous women. I do hate those type females. I really do. I see those type females. I'll stay away from them fast as I can. Because you can go ahead and call me names if you want to. Like, this don't make any sense. These females are disgusting, nasty. And what's worse, and what's worse part of it, you got these female rappers promote that type of disgusting behavior. Now, let me see if I go ask somebody, like, do people listen to Sexy Red? And I ask, do y'all kids listen? If I ask somebody who's adult, I ask them, do they listen to Sexy Red and all this stuff? They'll say no, because her music is trash. My sister told me that her music is trash. I'm like, I had to agree. I had to agree with that because her music is trash. Because all she talk about is hoeing, acting like whores, being disgusting, and all that stuff. Like, come on, man. Like that don't make any sense, man. Like that don't make any sense, man. Like that don't make any sense. I mean, y'all want to sit there, want to call me vicious names. Oh, Jenny, you're gay. You don't like women. Okay, how am I gay? How am I gay? And I don't like women. I'm being a misogynist. And I tell women the truth about that nasty, disgusting coochie behind. Oh, you don't get no coochie. Nah, let me go ahead and put this on YouTube. I bet you gonna cuss me out. I'm ready for it. So all you nasty, disgusting bitches, go right ahead because I'm ready for the nasty comments. I'm ready for it. I love it. Cause you know why? Cause all you doing is just proving my point. How you disgusting, nasty females think it's okay to act like whores and sluts. Like that don't make any sense, man. And then they wonder why they get older. And then you're teaching the next generation of younger women to be whores and sluts. That's why I see it. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense, bro. You got these females think it's okay to act like whores and sluts. Come on now. Like that don't make any sense. That don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. Like how these females going there talking about they want a man, but you still there sleeping around. And shout out to the Jay, the truth teller, because he tells you how he is about these nasty, disgusting females. And these niggas ready to die or be dumb, disgusting ass females. I'm not. You can go ahead and call me the F word, which y'all already called me the F word twice. Like, come on now. Like, this don't make any sense. Like, that don't make any sense. Like, that don't make any sense. Like, most of these females are just being disgusting. I hate disgusting women. I hate promiscuous women. I hate 304s. I hate ratchet women. Also, I hate women who have this feminist mindset. Also, I hate evil women because that's why I'm trying to tell you, fellas, to stay away from these evil women out there. Got some evil women out there with do you dirty and do you wrong because they learned this behavior from their mothers, teaching them it's okay to do evil stuff like using a man, exploiting them, and that's it. You got some females out there will exploit you because you know why? Because they been trained. They think that the man ain't worth the nothing. Like that don't make any sense. That's why I try to tell you females to stay away from these type of other women who encourage them to do all this stuff. And I'm glad that the Chris McCure, Chantel Simone, Dee Dee, and them and Messi Michelle. Man, these are the good females I support. Not those ratchet ass, disgusting females. I'm like, come on now. I'm like, that don't make any sense. Like that don't make any sense. Man, if I tell them, look, stop sleeping around, stop doing this, stop doing that, and they mess up their body up and get sexual transmitted diseases, that's on them. I have nothing to say on them. Like that don't make any sense. You got these females out here keep coming on my channel every goddamn day, just looking for reasons to cuss me out. I had one stupid female coming on my channel talking about she gonna report me to YouTube. I'm like, do it. I can have freedom of speech on YouTube. You got this one stupid chick coming on my channel talking about she gonna report me to YouTube for saying something for because I said something she didn't agree with. So okay, when I end my live stream, guess what? I can't wait for the nasty comments. I cannot wait for it. So I'm gonna do a premiere on this on my other channel. So I'm ready for the nasty comments. I'm ready for it. So to all you nasty females on Black YouTube, feel free to cuss me out. So go right ahead. I'm out. Peace.